how's it going? And today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to bake out a animation loop using a Mixamo character. And for this you'll need to just download the YBot just standing still in T-pose, and then also a Mixamo character running in place. So both of those. So go to Mixamo, get the YBot, and then just the T-pose one, and then get the YBot running in place. Okay, and then this is going to be part of another tutorial I'm going to do, but this is just one piece of it, of what you need to do. One of the advantages of baking out this is that it should be less overhead on the system. We're going to go into the interchange. I got to follow in there, go read file. Here's the running in place one. So we go open. Okay, and then we just bring it in. Actually, this interchange was one of the greatest improvements they made in LightWave because it's really easy to import FBX animations now. So what we're going to do is change the initial frame to 0, and then you can drag along to count how many frames this is, but it's 16. So you can go 16, and if I just hit play, it kind of loops, but it's all of the animation is in there. The original animation, so we're going to bake that out. Okay, and that's relatively simple to do. So you can put a folder on your desktop. Let me clear this out. So I have a folder on my desktop named new folder number 4, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to come in here to the MD multi-baker, and then I'm going to go to that folder, which is right here, and go okay. And we can leave this on the defaults, but make sure you're on the object, and we can do the surface first and go okay. So that baked that animation out. Now it's also got the joints, so we got to bake that out. So we're going to go back to the MD multi-baker. It switched folders, so we got to go back to the folder 4 and make sure we're on the joints, and we go okay. And now it baked out that animation. Now what I can do is just clear the scene like this, and I can go back into the interchange, and now I'm going to unload that. I'm going to just bring in the YBot now, which has it has the bone structure, but it has no animation on it. So now I'm going to bring this in like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this down to 0. And I'm going to put this over my in-frame count to 16. Okay, and then we'll go into the MDD multi-loader, and it should remove these. No, those there. So now I just go to my folder, and I can hit Control and bring these both in. And then if I click joints here, and I hold down Shift, I think it is, yeah. And you can see with the check it's selected, and then I click here, and I click there, that one's selected. Of course this has no animation, but if I hit OK, you see I've got my animation there. And the rig just stays there, it won't be seen or anything. So then what we can do, this is kind of weird about this, is it is set on loop. So you want to make sure it's set on loop, and it was. So we go OK. And then if I increase my frame count to, let's say, 200, hit play, it should just keep going. Yeah, so that's how you basically create a bake out and a loop animation. And now what I'll do in the next series of tutorials is we're going to create a bunch of those running. The tutorial assumes that you know how to do this piece of it. Okay, so that's all I had for today. Thanks a lot. Take care, and I'll talk to you next time.